I love the concept of it. There is research, a thought going into it for years. This is something that is very important for the spaces that we design nowadays, taking into consideration the human aspect. It's really important for our well-being.
I'm really quite directly underneath this. It's very low glare, but then you get a bit of sparkle here. So I like the balance of this ambient and task combo.
Notor 65 DDL is the first product in the market to mimic the natural light into the offices and our spaces. It's revolutionary, it's out of the box, it's something new for everyone to experience and feel the natural light indoors.
It's the classic light. This is something that any office can go with. Also in terms of color, it comes in black, white, so it's really adaptable in this way, blends with the space.
It's a very simple geometric form. It's really not trying to introduce itself into the space. So if you've got a suspension point every 3 meters, then the fixture really is floating. You don't have a whole lot of hardware and cables and all this other stuff that's kind of cluttering up your point of view as you look across an open plan office space, or even in a single office where you've got one desk.
The fact that it's dynamic lighting, giving you the opportunity to experience a beam coming through the window with the perception of the sky above you, that's a winner.
It does provide a broad-based application for different types of offices. For example, if you go to a dentist office, you would never see 3K. It's all up at 6K. So that's like very white light because that's where you see the true white. But if you're into graphic design and you're working primarily on a computer, then your ambiance and your space probably wants to be 3K. So having that functionality, depending upon what it is that you're doing in an industry, gives you that flexibility. It's pretty cool.
This research and development is tapping into the technology nowadays that we want to control everything with our phones. Have our own device and with a click of a button adjust the light. So this is very much with the times today.
With the ability to put photo controls on each fixture to determine how much light is in a space. If this is a window and you have one-sided light, you can create a situation where these fixtures could potentially be off along the window lines. The fixtures could be at full brightness over here so that you're balancing the natural light in the space with artificial light. That's pretty nice technology.
For me, I love the fact that there is different opportunities of lighting bodies which provide the same kind of effect in the end. There is a light body that can provide the double light, the diffuse and the directional, and then also the spotlights could be separate, which doesn't limit us to only having this linear fixture that we would have above our desk. We could really play with this from a design point of view. It's a human-centric design and it's something that is really talked about nowadays. It's important to invest in what we put into our spaces. It's important to invest in your people in this way. This piece of light embodies this idea.
The key word here is longevity. When owners and operators plan to be in a space for 15 years, buy equipment that's going to hold for 15 years, not for 5. Because you're going to wind up replacing the equipment, you're not going to be happy with it, your productivity goes down. So invest in your lighting. The biggest problem that owners and operators face when they go to lower quality equipment is a slow, steady deterioration of your light output and flicker. I think it's geared towards well-being, and productivity is linked to that. Using the technology that's out there, the dimmable white equipment, using the apps that can control it, and giving employees options to create a better workplace environment. It's certainly, I think, appreciated by a lot of the folks that are sitting in offices all day long without any natural daylight.
Any kind of space where we spend long hours and it's indoors could benefit from this idea. It's not flat in this way, it's dynamic.
We are Fagerhult.